Beneath the tranquil surface of Australia's freshwater streams, a relentless game of survival plays out. This is the realm of the platypus. An animal so unusual, early scientists believed it was a hoax. But out here, there is no room for deception, only evasion. From the gaping jaws of the predatory Murray cod to the silent ambush of terrestrial hunters like monitor lizards and foxes, the platypus navigates a daily gauntlet. It is a creature seemingly cobbled together from different species, yet perfectly engineered for its perilous world. As dawn breaks over the eucalyptus forests, the mist lifts to reveal an ancient ecosystem. This labyrinth of waterways is the only place on Earth this evolutionary marvel calls home. But today, one female's journey is not just about survival. It is about securing the next generation. High in the steep, muddy banks, the female begins to dig. She excavates a complex nesting burrow, which can stretch up to 30 meters deep. Using a remarkable prehensile adaptation, she curls her flat, beaver-like tail to carry damp eucalyptus leaves and reeds. Inside her subterranean chamber, she carefully crafts a secure, insulated nest. The platypus is a monotreme, a rare order of mammals that reproduce not by giving live birth, but by laying eggs. Deep within the earth, she deposits 1 to 3 soft, leathery spheres. For the next 10 days, she becomes a living incubator, curling her warm body around them in the dark. Blind, hairless, and vulnerable, they are the size of a jelly bean. They are entirely dependent on their mother for warmth and safety in this hidden sanctuary. Mammals are defined by how they feed their young, but the female platypus lacks nipples. Beyond mere sustenance, she offers the warmth of her body, the gentle touch of her bill, forging a bond essential for survival. Deep within this hidden chamber, the intimate world of the platypus unfolds, a sanctuary where life clings to life. For their first 4 weeks, the puggles remain utterly dependent, pink and hairless, sustained only by their mother's precious milk. By weeks 5 to 8, a miraculous transformation begins. Their fragile skin gives way to a silvery, water-resistant. Under her fierce protection, they grow stronger with each passing day, their unique platypus features steadily emerging, shaping them for the world that awaits. Within the safety of the nest, these playful movements are more than just games. They are vital lessons. Motherhood is an incredibly taxing journey. To sustain her growing young, she must feed, consuming up to 30% of her body weight in a single night. As darkness falls, she answers the primal call. She must hunt, driven by an unwavering instinct to sustain the next generation. As she plunges into the murky river, she does something extraordinary. She shuts her eyes, ears, and nostrils. She will hunt entirely in the dark, relying on senses far beyond our own comprehension. Underwater, her leather-like bill is not a beak, but a highly sophisticated sensory array. It is packed with tens of thousands of electroreceptors. As she sweeps her head from side to side, she detects the minute electrical impulses generated by the muscle twitches of hidden prey. A buried crayfish. Deep below the surface, in the murky stream, a darting shrimp. There's a hidden snail. None can hide from this biological sonar. Her biological sonar ensures unerring accuracy. Once detected, there's no escape. Lacking teeth, she scoops her catch, along with bits of gravel, a vital tool for her unique diet. She stores them in her cheek pouches, an efficient way to collect food while underwater, to grind up later on the surface. Surfacing only to process her meal, she returns to the depths, continuing her tireless hunt. She continues her relentless hunt, repeatedly diving and resurfacing, consuming up to 30% of her body weight in a single night. But the river is never truly safe. The murky waters that conceal her prey also hide formidable predators. A sudden ambush from a giant cod ends in a blinding cloud of silt. A masterful escape. Above, wedge-tailed eagles patrol the skies. A sharp reminder that death can come from above as well as below. A sharp reminder that death can come from above as well as below. The platypus, however, is not entirely defenseless. The males possess a sharp, hollow spur on their hind legs, connected to a potent venom gland. It is capable of delivering a strike that causes excruciating pain. A formidable weapon, used mostly in mating competition, but effective enough to deter any curious predator. They appear docile as they float, yet they harbor a dark, ancient secret. As a new day breaks, the platypus returns to the safety of the earth. Inside the nesting chamber, her young wait warmly, ready to be nurtured once more. She is a living paradox, an egg-laying, venom-spurring, electro-sensing mammal. A relic from the time of the dinosaurs that has mastered the art of survival. The males possess a sharp, hollow spur on their hind legs connected to a venom gland, capable of delivering a strike that causes excruciating pain. She is a living paradox, an egg-laying, venom-spurring, electro-sensing mammal. A relic from the time of the dinosaurs. She has mastered the art of survival, navigating the currents of time and evolution with unparalleled grace. In these quiet, winding rivers of Australia, the enigma of the platypus endures, as wonderfully weird and resilient as nature itself.